Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, in this video I want to be talking about coins being frozen. Now if you check this USDT, I have available 0.000 whatsoever, frozen $36, equivalent $36. Right now this money is frozen because it's not in the available, so meaning I cannot do anything with it. Now the question is, why is it frozen? There are different reasons why a coin can be frozen. Number one, let me show you. Now if you check this record, transfer record, you can see that let me open it very well. I transferred $36 to another wallet. Now I transferred $36 from this wallet to another wallet. Now the money has not arrived to that wallet. Now, because I have transferred this money will be in frozen. I cannot do anything with it until it appears in the wallet I sent it. I can't do anything with this money. That is number one. So just have it in mind that when you transfer because you know sometimes all this the transfer process, it takes probably 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer time for it to be processed. So that money will be on frozen. That's number one. Number two is if you traded with it. Because now let's say for instance, let me USDT. Now if you check, let's say you want to use that USDT to buy BNB. Do you understand? Now I have 0 available USDT. That's because I've sent the USDT that is there. Now the thing is, if you try to buy BNB and probably, okay, I've received it. Can you see? You have successfully received the 35 USDT. I sent 36. They removed $1 for transaction fee. Now let me go back and see if that will still be in frozen. All right, as you can see, it has left there. It has left there, so it's no longer in frozen. Now let me go back. As I was saying, if you trade with it, now let's say for instance I want to buy BNB with my USDT, but I don't have USDT here. But for tutorial purpose, BNB is selling right now at $588. It's selling for $588. Now the current price rather $588. I want to buy. Now these are the people here. If you see this red part here, these are the people that I want to sell. This guy want to sell for 588.3. So I want to sell for 588.4. So I want to sell for 588.56. That's how it is. This is the amount I want to sell my BNB. If it's good for you, buy. If it's not good for you, don't buy. So but right now, if I buy at the current price now that as it is, which is 588.4, it will, under this order, it will be pending until I get somebody who wants to sell for that my 588.4. Do you understand? So it will be pending. So it can be pending for as long as possible, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. It can be pending. So that money you used will be frozen. You won't be able to use it until you come and cancel the order. Maybe you can't wait for too long. You will cancel the order and look for somebody and just tap anybody's that is willing to sell. Okay, you were trying to sell at 588.4. Let me just use this present one right now, 588.3, and nobody's selling at that point. You can just tap the person that is selling for 588.4, tap it. You know, as you tap it now, it has appeared here. Then click the amount of USDT you want to spend, or if it's all, just click full. Do you understand? Some wallets will say max, some will say all. Then you buy. Immediately, it will not be pending anymore. It will just automatically buy, and you will see BNB in your wallet. So these are the two reasons why your money can be frozen. Do you understand, guys? So don't think maybe anything has happened to your money or your wallet has taken your money or anything. Thank you very much, guys. If this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you.